Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add header and footer to a specific page range in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this Organize option and here you will find this header and footer option. Click here and see you select Add Header and Footer. And this header and footer already showing here existing and remove it. And I will add this center header text and click on this header text and type your header and footer name and see this is header position and click on this font option. Here you can change font color, font size and font style and so on. And this page range option, click here and total 6 pages this PDF file and I will exclude first page 2 from 6. Now select OK and finally select OK and see this first page header and footer not showing and second page this header showing and see this. In this we can add header and footer to a specific page range. This is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.